best days are my spirit animal. Today has been an amazing day. I just spent the morning doing some computer work, chilling, meditation, some stretching, some yoga, and now we are headed to a fruit market. I want to pound some watermelons today. Watermelons, just like on this trip, because we're not eating a lot of fruit and we always need to drink more water. My body just craves watermelons. So I'm gonna go obey that craving. Here's my happy place, doing computer work to a watermelon in a really nice hostel. Okay, watermeloned up, and now we're gonna go take some motorbikes and hit up a waterfall. It's gonna feel trippy being on a two-wheeled device, mobile, moving very fast with very little energy. I'm excited. Here's my ride, guys. It's a fresh one. Hopefully it'll get us safe to the waterfall. We surprisingly made it. What was that, like an hour, 45-minute ride? It's pretty long. Here at this waterfall, just like no one here, except for this cutie, except for this little pretty girl. Yeah, honestly, what is she doing all the way out here?
Well, she looks so fit anyway.
Yeah, she looks healthy. Oh. Oh my gosh, like jungle, river, waterfall to the max. Heading back home now, hopefully before it rains. One more hour on the motorbike. Please stay dry. All right, Sarah's gonna ride back.
Drive
How
back.
do you feel about that, Jackson?
You know, as a very controlling person, I'm more nervous to be on the back than in the front, but this is gonna be a good practice for me. Just stay calm. Have trust in my good friend.
I'm so happy this is happening.
Please don't kill us, thanks. went to the grocery store. I didn't need anything, so I decided to go get a massage before dinner. Solo mission on the bike to get a foot massage. They're so glorious. It feels so strange being away from my people. It feels very independent, a little bit scary, but also freeing in the same way. I don't mean that in a bad way, as in it's nice for them not to be around, but I sort of feel like I'm just like a dude who lives in Thailand or something, which I'm so not. Oh my god. I keep on having new best moments of my life moments, and that was just so great. Time for a night ride. Sorry, Mom. We just missed the girls, so Dylan and I are eating by ourselves tonight.
This is clear stuff.
Yeah, the clear stuff is like kelp. It's really cool. Sure, that's fine. Thank you. Yeah, this clear stuff is very interesting, but I like it. It's like crunchy and refreshing.
I think it would be crunchy.
Yeah. We closed the house down and these lovely Thai ladies want us out of here. Dylan and I's double date was a success. I'm very sad to leave this place because this is some of the best food that we've had. Dude, I feel a connection to Trang.
Yeah, I know, I like it as well.
It was the most unlikely connection to find. I thought it was just gonna be some like shit town. I love Trang. I would wear a shirt that says I heart Trang. It's actually Trang.
Yeah, I know.
It's Trang. Yep, back on the bikes tomorrow. We have 2 more nights after tonight in Thailand. Then we're getting to Malaysia. I'm excited to get out of this.
Please tell her to say Dream Extreme. That would be great.
I think it'd be too complicated, man, to explain. Oh god, now you've challenged me. No, you say the first part.
What?
Come
Am
on.
I doing it now?
Yeah.
Much love.
Can you say something to my camera?
Oh, no.
No?
Oh.
It's
Shy.
It's the words dream extreme. Do you know that? Dream extreme. Can you say it for me? I'm making a video. Can you say the words dream extreme? Can you say it? Say dream extreme. It's just for me. Come on, say it. Fail. You had this idea. You say it now. Say it.
Extreme Dream.
Okay, kapun kap.